I just found an untapped method to make the easiest and most consistent money as a TikTok Shop affiliate without going viral. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, Kyle, how am I going to make money if I'm not going viral? Just stick with me because I'm going to explain everything that you need to know. And on top of that, I'm going to teach you how to do this step by step. And it's a lot easier than you'd probably think. But first, to prove to you that this actually works, let me show you a couple of the accounts that I've been using this method on. On this one, I have made $58 today. And in the last 7 days, just under 400. And on another one of my accounts, I did just over 160 bucks today. And in the last 7 days, just over 1,000. So when it comes to what I'm about to teach you, do not sleep on this. Do not wait to start because I promise you will regret it. Now, before I reveal the strategy that I've been using, I want you to understand why I'm actually using it. So first, you do not need to go viral. You can still print money while getting 300 to 500 views per video. 2, the income is far more consistent and reliable than anything else on TikTok Shop right now. Instead of hoping a video goes viral, you are guaranteed conversions with this. 3, there is zero risk of violations or bans because you're not relying on exaggerated claims or aggressive marketing. 4, you can do this even if you're lazy because planning, editing, and creativity are absolutely not needed. And 5, you do not need to show your face if you don't want to. Now, who is this strategy for? So if you're struggling to go viral and make sales, which I know is a lot of people, this is for you. If you don't want to rely on luck or the algorithm to make money, this is for you. And if you want a simple, repeatable system that puts money in your pockets without you having to work too hard for it, this is probably for you. Now, I'll break this down in a second, but before I do that, you have to understand the basics of how a marketing funnel works. So at the top, you have top of funnel, then you go down to middle of funnel, and all the way at the bottom is bottom of funnel. So with TikTok Shop, top of funnel and middle of funnel, those are the videos that you see on your For You page. Those are the videos with millions and millions of views. Those are the videos spreading awareness and information about products on TikTok Shop. Then on the other hand, BOF or bottom of funnel, all the way at the bottom, these are short, quick videos that use sales, offers, urgency, and scarcity to drive conversions. And that is exactly what I'm doing here. I'm creating BOF or bottom of funnel videos. Now, here's the thing. When you see these viral top of funnel videos like this right here, they're generating sales, but because not everyone is making purchases from those videos, there are crumbs being left on the table. So with bottom of funnel videos like this one right over here, we can pick up those crumbs because TikTok's algorithm is so advanced that it will put our bottom of funnel videos in front of people that are ready to buy. They're going to put our videos in front of people that have already seen these products. They know about them. They know what they do. They just need a little extra push to actually make the purchase. And believe me, there are a ton of crumbs being left on the table by these top of funnel videos, just waiting for us to pick up with bottom of funnel content. And one thing that I want to throw in here really quickly, you don't have to pick top of funnel or bottom of funnel. You can do both, especially if you have experience with top of funnel viral content, getting your videos to go viral. That's something that I do. So I stack these accounts on top of each other. For example, I showed you my bottom of funnel account in the beginning of this video. Now this is my top of funnel account, $1,600 today. And in the last 7 days, $4,800. So stack these on top of each other to make as much money as possible. Now, do you remember when I said in the beginning of this video that this is the easiest money I've ever made? I wasn't lying, and I'm not the only one doing it. Believe it or not, this screenshot is actually from my girlfriend's mom's TikTok account. I spent maybe an hour or two kind of giving her a breakdown of how bottom of funnel content works. And these were her results on day one, $54 on day one. Just think about how crazy that is. And also, she doesn't have any experience posting to TikTok or social media at all. Now, this is how you can create a high converting bottom of funnel video right now. There are 5 different keys to this, and they get more important as we go on. So do not skip through these. Starting off with number 1, we have picking the right product. So with bottom of funnel videos, you're going to want to pick products that are already going viral, because don't forget, these top of funnel viral videos are the videos that are leaving these crumbs that our bottom of funnel videos will pick up. These boom boom sticks would be a perfect example of that. Now, key number 2 is verbal hooks. So you need to use verbal hooks that will let the viewer know what your video is about immediately, which is usually the sale, the discount, the promo code. etc. Now, here are a couple examples. Number one, there's a glitch on this product and this is how you can get it for this price. And two, the price of this product just dropped, so this is how you can get it for close to free. Moving on, key number three is text hooks. So you have two different hooks in these bottom of funnel videos. The first hook is usually the deal. So in this case, it would be $19 NeuroGum or $17 NeuroGum. Now the second hook, the sub hook, is the promo code. But if you don't have a promo code, that's totally fine. Just create a sense of scarcity or urgency to push the sale. For example, right down here, I have my promo code Neuro New Year, but on this side, I didn't have one. So instead I wrote deal ends tonight. Key number four is instructions. Now to make sure that your video converts and is engaging at the same time, you're gonna want to walk the customer through how they get the deal. So for example, first you'll need to tap the orange shopping cart below to activate fast and free 3-day shipping, then enter in the code for an additional 15% off. Just remember that you want to make it as easy as possible for the viewer to make a purchase. To end this off, we have key number 5, which is your call to action. This is what you say at the end of your video to drive sales, and it's your last chance to convert a viewer into a buyer. So it's important that you make it count. And the best way to do this is to create scarcity, FOMO, or urgency. Now, here are a couple of examples. 1, they have 12 left in stock, so tap the shopping cart below before they're sold out. And 2, the deal ends soon, so tap the orange shopping cart below before it's too late. Now, to make this as easy as possible, I want you to copy the framework that I use. So this is how that goes. Hook, tap the shopping cart below and that'll activate fast and free shipping along with a flash sale discount. Next, enter in the promo code at checkout to unlock additional savings. That's how you'll get the lowest price, but don't wait because this sale ends in 12 hours. Just like that, it's pretty simple.